Hello, in this video I want to demonstrate the AirShou app on the iPhone 6s Plus. And I have iOS 9 running on here. Let's see if I can show you. What version of iOS I have currently running. I have so many apps. Let me see. Okay, so I have to click General. I think I go to About. And you can see firmware. See everything else. Oh, version 9.0. Okay. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 9.0, and I've been struggling for quite a while to try to record videos with my iPhone, but I just got to the point where I'm able to. So essentially, it requires a team up of two apps. The first app you're going to need is Show TV. And that app can actually be downloaded in the Play Store. So let me get over to the Play Store and do a search. And we'll put in Show. Oh, it gave me no results because I still had something in my search already. So we're going to put Show in the search. And so you have to put Show in. And as you see, once you put Show in, it's going to pull it up for you. You install. Mine is saying that I need an update. I want to read what's on the update. And then you have to get the AirShou app, which is this app made by the same creator. Now, I got mine from VShare, but as of yesterday, VShare was not working. So I imagine that the best thing to do would just be a Google search of AirShou for iOS, whatever iOS version you have, and try to install it that way. But once you get into AirShou, I can't demonstrate this, but initially when you first get in there, they're going to ask you to put in a code. Now the code consists of 4 digits. So I went on the internet and looked up, AirShou codes, and they have like this whole thing where you have to try to go to their Twitter and find out if you can get it from some other people, and they get codes and then they can send you codes. Well, I haven't gotten any codes to give, and I didn't get a code to put in. I just tried a bunch of combinations of letters and numbers that I saw, some that began and end with the same number, and then it just worked. So eventually one of the codes that I punched in worked. But if you come here and you go to information, you're supposed to get invitations. And they said that most people get 3 to 5 invitations. Some people I saw had like a list of like 30. I didn't get any, so I can't give any away. I really, really would have liked to be able to give away some invitations, but I wasn't given any, so I don't have any to give. But in order to record your phone, you can actually broadcast this, and you're going to get a web address to broadcast. But to record, you press record, and then you get to choose your orientation and your resolution here. Then you press next step, and from there you scroll up the bottom. See, I probably could do it better with my, your AirPlay options is going to come up. And then you're going to see your own phone listed there. You're going to click it, select mirroring, and then say done. And as soon as you say done, your phone will now be recording. So I'm just going to do like a quick video. I have it set for landscape. So let me put the video camera down. Set the phone in landscape mode. Then I'm going to open a couple of apps. Folders. I'll just open a couple of folders so you can see the difference on the screen. That's a folder. Okay. And then the way that you stop is you can, it shows you that you're recording with this little red banner that you see here. But the way that you stop is essentially just going back into the app. And you see that big red stop button that's in it. So you can go in that way. Or, of course, you can double tap your home screen and press stop. And when you press stop, you then are done recording your screen. And you come here, and the screen recordings that you have are going to be listed here. So I'm going to go ahead and this is the nice thing I like about it. You can play, you can open it in another video player app that you may have. You can save it to your camera roll. You can delete it. So I'm going to play it just to show that I was actually recording the screen. Let me see. That's what I've already done. And then I'm going to go and open the folders. You can see the touch is coming up, but I'm not touching anything because it's already been previously recorded. For whatever reason, I don't think that's the right one. I think this is the one. I'm not sure. The one I just recorded. So for whatever reason, this one's upside down. Let's see if it goes to landscape mode. Let's try this one. I think this is it. Yeah, this is the one that I just did. But you see, it has a few little kinks. I don't know what's going on here.
You want to do more?
Didn't really record it regular speed for whatever reason. You can see it's moving like frame by frame. But essentially this is how you use the AirShou app, and for me it's the easiest thing on Android to use, and now it is the easiest thing on iOS devices. Once you can get your hands on one of the codes, or figure out a code by punching in a bunch of random letters and numbers. But either way, this has been the AirShou screen recorder app for iOS devices, and I hope this video helps someone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.